Good morning! A shiny day. This is my lunch. Sinigang. That is ampalaya. Ayan, ampalaya yan. Ampalaya, this is my cheesecake. And this is tortilla. Ayan. Join me. Ayan, a shiny day of Tuesday of June. Ayan, ang aking before I'm going to work. I'm going to harvest the plum around the Mio Mansion. I just eat to have power to clean around the mansion. Okay, bye-bye. Breakfast and lunch ko na yan. Thank you very much.